Today will bring your co-creation to work with you today. In spring break time, I got my guy, the youngest of the tribe, helping me repair a washer. He actually did it. A commercial speed queen, changed out the pressure switch, got that up and running. Well done, sir. Well done. And yeah. Next, went on to work on this LG that wasn't cooling. The relay switches in LA, so we had to improvise. My man did that. Well done, son. Well done, son. Well done. Got that back up and running. Spring break with my guy. Love you. Peace.